Where they at?
The bomb diffuser has been successfully
Oh my god. He's right here, he's right here.
area. You have been spotted.
Knife his ass, dude.
Yeah, defuse, defuse.
Where is he?
He's outside,
He's
just
outside.
defuse it.
Located the diffuser.
Kill him, kill him! Kill him!
Alright, I got you!
Don't get freaking kicked out of the game though. Try to keep killing. Alright, get him up, Brady. He goes, disarm, disown, destroy. That's great.
Oh my god.
Shadow
I just
player.
started shooting everybody.
I just lit
Oh,
everybody
he's
up.
like, kill him, kill him!
Oh my god.